Kids, cops, and elected leaders have all been murdered in Mexico's drug war.
As drug cartels battle for turf, politicians are looking for answers. Mexico's former president Vicente Fox was in Albuquerque today. News 13's Ian Schwartz sat down with him to get his take on a solution.
Fox says the drug problem must come to an end, but it starts not in Mexico, but the United States. 3 police officers were gunned down in Tijuana over the weekend, part of the ongoing border drug violence responsible for thousands of murders in Mexico.
First step to eliminate a problem is to recognize that you have a problem.
Visiting UNM, Vicente Fox says the killings can be tied to America's appetite for drugs. Cartels, he says, supply a product they know will sell in the U.S. The competition among them can be deadly. He says closing the border is not the answer.
What we're trying to do is to cut the supply of drugs to the youth here in the United States. So if drug consumption is reduced in the States, the problem will be reduced.
He says that responsibility falls not on governments, but on parents.
The demand cannot be solved by the education at home, the education within the family, the education in universities, the education in the public school system.
Fox says you can't eliminate the drug problem here or in Mexico, since drug use will always exist, but he says it is possible to make it manageable. Ian Schwartz, KRQE News 13.
Fox says he is hopeful after Secretary of State Hillary Clinton's recent trip to Mexico. There, she urged the two countries to work together on a border violence solution.